My government website portal na chahi taret mapung farakpada Manipur ki Chief Minister N Biren na harau tayamba fongdokre. Twitter da thadokpa video message amada Chief Minister N Biren na hai My government haibasi yamna maru oiba portal amani masina leibak asige citizen singbu lengak lon ningthina khanganabada yamna mating oi. Portal asi chalairiba sing matam sangna miyangi seba tawiduna Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi sabka saath sabka vikas sabka biswas haiba asanba mityeng adu mapung fahalasi.
Namaste. In the last 7 years, my government, India, has become the go-to platform for public engagement. This is one of the many successes of the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Apart from being the source of news of various achievements and schemes of the government, MyGov has given the common people a platform to interact, critique, or to offer suggestions to the government. I believe such a platform for public engagement is essential for comprehensive development. In Manipur, MyGov Manipur has emerged as a trusted platform for exchange of ideas and views. During the COVID-19 pandemic, MyGov Manipur has been delivering critical informations to the public. They have also been putting out motivational stories, inspiring people during the crucial time. I am hopeful that MyGov portal will continue to strengthen and deepen inclusive development. I wish the people behind this phenomenon many more groundbreaking achievements.